I would like to ask you about nigunim, about this whole genre, and if you could tell me what exactly is the magic of nigun?
So, the difference between a nigun and a song. A song has words, and whenever you sing a song has words, you focus on the words. Of course, you sing, those words to the melody, but your focus is mainly on the words. But when you sing a nigun that has no words, it's beyond this world. You can think about anything. That's why it's so deep. The nigun is very, very deep. So deep. You connect to your soul.
Do you remember the tune for the Częstochowy nigun?
Sure. So it's actually my nigun. I composed it, and I called it Częstochowy nigun.
Dee